How's it going, everyone? Zack here, and I got my helper, Hadley. Are you Hadley?
Yeah.
Who am I?
I'm Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy and Hattie. Good job. So I'm really excited. You know, I've been doing a couple of videos. Yes. Oh, thank you. So I've been doing some different DIYs, some different shop things, and then obviously some drum stuff. And I was a little upset with my last video. The sound was just awful. So I finally took the dive and I bought this. It just came in the mail today. It is the Samson Lavalier mic. I don't even know if you say that right. Lavalier mic system. I'm very excited. This is awesome because it's designed that it can go with a smartphone, a tablet, a digital camera, or sit on a tripod all on its own or whatnot. So I'm excited to check out this new wireless mic system and see if we can't hear the difference between right now and when I get it together. But before that, let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the setup that comes with this thing. In the list of stuff, got a manual, but it looks too long to read, so I don't know. Oh, it's because it's got all the different languages. And I'm really sorry about that. That noise is that one over there playing construction. Good job. So, inside, let's see what we got here. Oh, this is nice. Comes with several different adapter cables. So it looks like this one looks like it'd be for my Android. Oh no, that's definitely my Android. That's my iPad. This one's a mini micro USB. Ooh, and then 1/8 to 1/8 inch would be great for my camera. Here's another cable. Great. So got a bunch of variety of cables. Very nice. Oh, cool. Let's see inside this bag. We've got our actual. There's our actual microphone. So that's nice. Comes with a windscreen, and then that must be the plug to go into the pack. Couple of miscellaneous little pieces. Looks like a tripod mount, some double-sided Velcro, spare screw, tiny little screwdriver. This one looks like just another clip, so we'll see what those are for. Oh, nice. Must be good for Europe. So it's got like a European plug. And then this is the American style plug. I'm really sorry, that shit is so loud. Are you doing good over there? Yeah? Okay. And then of course there's the main power plug, and then you just got to use the adapter for it. Oh, so then this cable must go from here. There we go. Yes. Awesome. It's a ghost. And then here's the, looks like this is the receiver. Here is the mic mobile receiver. And I'll just quickly go through a couple of the items that I have found. So here there's a 1, a 2, and a set of headphones. The 1 and the 2 is for the USB out, and the headphones is for the 1/8 inch audio out. So if I'm using my DSLR camera, like I'm going to be doing today, then I want to put it to the headphones. If I was using a smartphone or a tablet, I'd want to choose 1 or 2, and then I'm going to use this USB out. So I have to look more into the 1 or 2 because I'm not sure, but as of right now, I'm going to be using this audio out. You can see there's a green light here, that's your power. So I went to charge it, but it's already got power, so I'm not worried. This is the battery light here. If it does start going dead, this will blink red. Also here you can see channel 1 and channel 2. Once I sync up the pack, that'll light up to signify that it has been synced up. So again, here I'm going to be using an 1/8 inch cable, so I have that plugged in to the out. On the bottom you can choose between mix or 2-channel, so you can do like a mono left and right, or you can just do an audio out altogether. And then here's some volume, and then here once I turn on the pack, this is to pair the receiver and the mobile pack. So I'll go ahead and grab this, and here you'll see there's a light and a power button, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to hit this power button, and you see that that's red, then it turned green, and now up in the top there's your channel 1. So it is all synced up. So this will lock it in place, so I can squeeze this around like my camera, which I'll do, and then lock it down in place. That's really nice. Ah, nice. And then here's the pack. Very nice. So it looks like I gotta get myself some batteries. It's got a volume gain in it, which is really nice. I can control that. Little screwdriver comes with that. Alright, let's get that back in there. Other than that, it's very simple. There's a power button and a button that's just it's like a regular microphone. Just go ahead and there's that. And it just clips right in. It's got a little button for the release. Nice and easy. So that's that. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go grab some batteries real quick. Put some batteries in it. It probably doesn't have any charge whatsoever, so I might need to charge it, but we'll see. I'll put it on the charger while I go get some batteries, and we'll just try to hook it up once and see what happens. See if we can't hear a difference between volumes. So I have the microphone hooked up on my shirt, and I have it running through and coming out the bottom, and there is plenty of cord. This goes all the way down to my knee. Now I'm not a tall man, but there is plenty of cord here. So once I hook this together, there's plenty of room to get this all the way to my back pocket, and then you won't see it at all. So cable wise, it fits really good. Now you won't be able to see this part, but I can try to take a picture with my cell phone. But I will gonna hook this up to the camera now, and let's see if we can't change the sound.
All right, here it is. Is it working? I hope it's working. Since I do these videos myself, I have no way of really telling if it's registering. So, with that said, I'm also really hoping that you can hear me better and it sounds better. For this video, I am also doing 0 editing to the sound. This is straight out of the box, plugged straight into the pack, straight into my camera, and into the editor. The only thing I'm editing are the clips. So if it has a fuzzy sound, if it has a whining, if it has a humming, all of that is straight from this, and I'll have to do some fixing or whatnot, but this is just straight raw dogging audio file to the camera. So I'm running a Nikon D3200. Here's a picture of it with the pack strapped on top. And again, this is not really a review because this is brand new and I haven't had a chance to use it. This is my first time. I'm pretty excited and nervous because I don't even know if I'm talking to you or not, or if you can hear me. So obviously if I'm posting it though, that means you can hear me. Okay, good. So with that said, you know, if you got any questions, comments, if you use one and you got any tips, throw it all in the comments. Let me know. I'll be glad to read them and help you, or you help me in any way that we can. So I'm excited for my next couple of projects, DIYs. I got one coming up that I'm going to do this weekend I'm really excited about. And now I'm going to have some better sound, hopefully. So thanks for watching. Take care.